Today on our first adventure in Bali, we explore some beautiful rice terraces and we try some coffee made from animal poop. I'm so nervous.
Giant. Came out of an animal.
Cheers.
Booty. I can talk those in my mouth.
You can't do what?
I can talk those in my mouth.
Oh.
Hi. We arrived in Bali a couple days ago and we've just kind of been enjoying the city and taking it easy, not doing too much, just kind of relaxing at our Airbnb and eating at amazing restaurants. And we are going to do a little bit of adventuring today. We're gonna go see a waterfall and check out some rice fields. I think it's the biggest rice field in all of Bali.
Look. Daddy, look.
What is it?
Our pool has nothing in it.
What, people to be in there? So we are waiting on our driver who's going to be taking us around today. That's kind of the system here in Bali. They don't rent cars because traffic is too crazy and because there are not enough cars. Actually, you can rent them. They're just really hard to find. Chloe wanted to say hi. All right, so our first stretch is about an hour and a half of the rice fields. At least that's what Google says. We'll see what Indonesian traffic actually delivers to us.
You can sit here.
He even brought a little booster seat for Chloe. It's a seat just for you.
I know. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness.
I helped start it, right?
Yes, you did. Thank you so much.
Look, it's a volcano.
We just arrived at Jatiluwih Rice Terraces, and man, the drive was absolutely beautiful. We saw a volcano on the drive here, didn't we? Wasn't that cool?
Uh-huh.
That was your first volcano you've ever seen. So we're gonna go walk around the rice terraces and take some pictures, of course.
I'm already hungry. Yeah.
Are you playing in the mud?
Yeah.
You're crazy. Why are you sad?
She wants to hike a volcano today, but we got to get up really early, and this is daytime.
Chloe's really sad because she sees 3 volcanoes from here and she wants to go hike and climb a volcano. And I told her we can do it, just not today. So these rice fields are insane. They just go on forever. We walked a full kilometer and it didn't even hardly change. You couldn't see the end of it. Hi. I took the drone up and it just honestly just goes on forever. It's absolutely beautiful from the sky. That's definitely a bucket list item of mine. I've always wanted to fly a drone and get some aerial pictures over top of the rice fields. The conditions weren't the greatest. I was hoping for some clouds to get some reflections, but we've got another week. We can always come back. We stopped at this restaurant with these awesome views of the rice terraces. Right. Fish. What do you want to say?
I want to have a brother.
Why?
Because I will want to have it.
Yeah. What would you do with it, brother? Oh. You want to tell mommy? So we were driving to our next destination, and our driver asked if we wanted to try Luwak Coffee, which is basically poop coffee. So we're gonna try that out now. It comes out of this animal, I believe, called a luwak, and let's go check it out. Look, that's poop. Alright, so this is Luwak Coffee. It's basically poop coffee that comes out of an animal called luwak. It starts off as this, which I'm not going to pick up and touch because it's poop. And then they sanitize it, and then, is this roasted? Not yet. Okay, so this is just a sanitized bean after it comes out whole. Apparently they poop out the coffee bean whole. And then they roast it and grind it up like normal, and it's supposed to be one of the best coffees in the world.
You wanna try?
Yeah, Alexa, you try. You're making coffee, Alexa.
I'll help you. Oh, not so fast.
I remember the first time we heard about this coffee thinking there was no way I would ever drink it because it sounds kind of disgusting.
Because it's made out
Because it's made out of poop, as Alexa just said.
And it's made out of poop.
It's made out of poop. But, you know, when you're here, it's a once in a lifetime kind of opportunity, so we're gonna try some. They have tea and coffee, so I'm excited to see what it tastes like.
Whoa, is this tea and this is coffee?
Yes,
or?
and one pure cocoa here.
Oh.
Pure cocoa?
So some of this has no name, yeah. This is the mangosteen,
Okay.
this is the hibiscus,
Okay.
and this is the vanilla coffee.
Okay. All right, so this isn't the Luwak coffee. This is just like a sample tray that they've brought for us. This is all completely free just to sample it out. Half of these are teas. You've got some straight cocoa, and then some different varieties of coffee that they make here. And then we'll try the Luwak coffee later on. It's like $3-ish to try that. So we will try that after this.
Mommy? Okay. Can I try the cocoa first and then the tea? I love hot.
So far I've just tried the teas and every single one is just absolutely delicious.
Try
I'm excited to try the coffee.
Except for the ginger coffee, I just tried that. It's rather spicy. I've never heard of ginger tea or ginger coffee, and it's not for me.
I like this tea. Wait, is that which?
What do you think, Chloe?
Isn't that good?
Yeah, it's really
Chloe,
You like it?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
So just to clarify, the girls aren't having coffee. We're not completely crazy. They're having herbal tea and then hot chocolate.
Baby, is this all coffee?
These are coffee over here.
Potatoes.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
This is amazing.
Mommy, what's this?
Oh my goodness, this place is amazing. They're bringing us all these free samples of things to taste. Like, this is incredible. I'm blown away.
Mommy, what is this?
It's sweet potatoes. It's kind of like a really big French fry. What do you think, Chloe?
Yummy.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Mommy, can I
So this place sits looking over top of a rice terrace, and honestly, this is quite the destination. I have no idea what this place is even called because our driver was just like, "Hey, do you want to try some coffee?" as we were driving by. So I'll get the name of the place on the way out. But it's very relaxing, very peaceful, and a lot of fun.
get off a tea. It's tail. Tail. Said get off a tea.
What was it? Was it a fly?
It's a fly.
Hey, shoe fly.
Shoe fly. Which one is the hot cocoa? Is that one lemongrass? Is this one is lemongrass.
This one's lemongrass right
Which
here.
one is your favorite?
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass. We're having tea lessons on the proper way to drink tea. Chloe so far is just chugging it.
I will hold it.
Okay, you hold it.
I really like it. It's so good. I'm gonna try this kind of tea.
Good job.
We're having a tea party in a tree house.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself.
Cheers again. You gonna have Bali coffee?
No, she's not allowed to have coffee, right, Mommy?
You would be crazy if you had coffee. What did you say, Chloe?
I said when I grow up like you. I can have coffee when I grow up like you. I hope our poop coffee is coming. It is.
All right. Thank you. Welcome. I'm so nervous.
Trying.
No, I don't like coffee black, so I want to try it like this because I've heard that you can drink it without anything in it. But there does appear to be some sugar over here if I need some.
You're first.
My first, yep.
I'm just gonna watch.
You're just gonna watch me.
Do it.
You realize that came out of an animal's butt, right?
I do. I do.
Just don't think about it.
So I think after eating the scorpion, this is like nothing, right?
It's came out of an animal's
Cheers.
booty.
Okay.
Anyone who cheers with me?
It's very smooth. I mean,
It's the one I always
Um,
drink. Shoot.
I feel like I'll probably put some sugar in it, but it's good.
gonna
It's
get
actually
that.
quite good.
Hot chocolate. Is it good? Hot chocolate, please.
Hot chocolate, please.
This is hot chocolate, I think. Or is this?
It is good. It doesn't taste like, I mean, everyone says it's mind-blowing. It doesn't taste completely mind-blowing, but it's
Oh,
good.
wait, go back to your home
But I'm also
bag.
lightweight and I need my
Wait,
milk
go
and sugar.
back to home, I said. Ew.
So they eat the beans and they digest the beans, and then they poop out the beans whole, and then they clean the beans, wash them up, and then
Why did I poop at the bean?
they roast them, and then just like regular coffee,
So
how you
this
make regular
the-
coffee, they make
This
this.
is the bottoms make that poop now.
So this is actually rather expensive coffee. I just searched Amazon and the very first bag of coffee that I found was $400 per bag of coffee.
The baby. Come and look at the baby.
It's a baby Luwak. He's about 2 months old and they're actually nocturnal, so they're all sleeping right now.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down.
I really don't understand what those Luwaks are doing. I'm sure it's an integral part of the process.
I'm not allowed to say but.
Okay, say Heine.
No.
Tushy,
Say Tushy.
No.
booty.
No.
Okay.
You say it.
Booty.